Okay, I'm gonna walk you through the exit ticket real quick, just so you can see what you guys are supposed to be doing. So on this first one, so remember when you solve these, that there's actually two problems here that you're gonna wanna answer down here in this box. So if we do this first one up here, you can either add them all three at one time, or you can break them up, whatever you want to do. So we know, even though there's three fractions, your bottom number is still going to be 9 because your whole is still 9. And then you're going to add all your top numbers. So you're going to do 5 plus 2 plus 4. So 5 plus 4 is 9, plus 2 more is 11. Okay, but with this, just like they've said the last couple days, right now this is considered an improper fraction, and they want you to write it as a mixed number. So with this fraction right here, you have to ask yourself, if I have 11 ninths, I know that the whole is 9, so I can take out 9 ninths, and then I have to figure out how many ninths I still have left over before I get to 11. So if I'm at 9, I'm going to count up 9, 10, 11, and I still have 2 ninths left. So now I have to rewrite this as a mixed number. And they call it a mixed number because now you're going to have a whole number and a fraction. 9 ninths is the same as 1 whole, and then you have 2 ninths left over. Okay, so that's going to be your answer to the first one. On the second one, when they give you this 1 whole, you have to keep in mind of what your whole is over here. On this problem, it is 8ths. So this 1 whole can also be written as 8 eighths. Okay, that will probably make it easier for you to solve. So I'm going to set this one up for you, and then I want to see on you if you can go in on your second attempt and finish solving this one on your own. If it's still confusing after watching this video, just let me know and we can try something else, okay?